Oh, that's great. Who are you working with?
Yes.
Cool.
It's my business, all taken care of. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Congratulations. How much you get? Alright, so that guy, he just got funded a couple days ago. Alright, we lost the deal. He worked with another broker, and you know, I'm trying to push him that, you know, we have more money for him if he just takes initiative. Thanks for asking. I was just following up. Did you ever get funded, or?
Yeah, I'm fine. Do you have any regular loans now, or anything that's attractive with interest rates, or you just have cash advance?
Yeah, absolutely. That's the reason why I'm calling you. We just had a bunch of new programs come out, and I know that. I mean, how many cash advances do you have?
I just have a loan with a loan builder. That's all I have.
Oh, okay, with PayPal. That's great. Yeah. Okay. What's the balance on that?
I guess it's about 70,000.
70,000.
Yeah, somewhat over 70. Yeah.
Okay, great. All right. Well, at the right rate in terms, how much capital could you put to use?
I guess maybe 50,000 if it's a second line. I don't want to pay off this one because the rate is good, you know. So,
right. Yeah. I know about PayPal. They you can't expect me to compete with PayPal, you know.
Yeah.
But
so that is what it is. But if you have something that's reasonable, I'll look at up to 50.
Yeah, absolutely. It has to be reasonable. So since you already have that relationship with PayPal, it would make more sense for me to come behind them, right? Instead of so you'll keep that relationship with PayPal and then I just come behind.
That's what I'm.
How much did you do last month in revenue?
We normally do about 60,000 on average. Sometimes more, sometimes less, but on average 50.
Okay, great. Can you forward me your bank statements? Your last 3 months bank statements?
Send me an email and I'll respond to it.
All right, I'll send you an email right now. It's AYN at AOYN Insurance, right? That's you?
That's correct, yeah.
Okay, great. I'll shoot it to you right now. Just do me a favor. If you don't see my email come in your inbox, do me a favor and check your spam folder in case you don't see it. It's gonna be coming from Dave.
But remember, I'm not looking for the regular cash advances with those high daily interest payments. I'm not into that. So if you have something with weekly or monthly payments.
Yeah, I know that business owners typically don't like the daily payments.
Yes, and I don't want the thing where you get 20,000 and you're paying back 10,000, that sort of thing. I'm not into that sort of nonsense anymore. So not into those type of cash advances. If you don't have anything that's more practical, then don't have them brought back. Is it a soft pull that you do, by the way?
Yeah, I guarantee it's going to be a soft pull. It's not going to affect your credit score.
All right.
And look, I know what you're saying, and I know that past 3 years, you know, a lot of people been coming into this industry promising you the world. I can assure you that's not what we do. We're a professional company. If I don't think I'm going to be able to get you exactly what you're looking for, I'm not going to waste your time. I'll just let you know right away.
Okay.
And I know that I'll go ahead and send you a text as well because I know that you get a lot of emails. When can you get this together for me? The last 3 months bank statements.
Send it to me. I'm in office now, so if you send it to me now, I'll get it to you later on this afternoon.
Okay. Would there be any reason you can't get that back to me today so we can get to work on it?
No, that's what I'm saying. If you send it to me now, I'll send it back to you later on.
All right, you got it. I'll send it to you right now. I'll talk to you soon.
All right.
Thanks, man. Take care. All right, so that's how it goes. All right, so the guy already knew me. All right, so he knows who I am, and you know, it was just a simple asking the right questions. Again, I go back to that. Ask the hard questions. Like, look, what is it that you're looking for? And then he opens up. All of a sudden, like my question is, why are you taking the time to talk to me? And then he opened up. He told me exactly what he's looking for. He doesn't want a daily payment. He doesn't want high interest. Okay, a lot of brokers would just probably just you know just shop them out. But you know we take a very personalized approach here, and that's gonna be a done deal soon. You don't remember me?
Yeah, okay.
What's up, buddy? Long time.
That's nice.
Good.
It's
I was just following up. Did you ever get funded, or?
Yes, I did.
Oh, great. Who are you working with?
Well, on Capital.
Oh yeah, I do a lot of work with Joe over there. How much did they end up getting you?
25,000.
That's great. Was that all you were looking for, or all they were able to approve you at the time?
That's all I was looking for.
Okay. Well, obviously you made an investment into your business and got a return. If I was able to get you additional capital at rates and terms that make sense, how much capital could you put to use
I'm not interested in those 90% interest rate loans. I'm not interested in those.
90% interest rate?
They give you a factor loan for 6 months at, like 50%. It comes up to 100% annually. I'm not interested in those.
Well, what's the one problem you wish you could solve in your business today?
Nothing. Yeah. I got more employees now, which is good. And business is much better.
Well, I mean, for your employees, you gotta pay them. Do you have the bankroll for that?
Yeah, I can pay them. It's not a problem. I get paid every 2 weeks, though.
Great. So, Allie, you mean to tell me that if you found a suitcase with $100 grand, you couldn't put that to work?
No, not at 90%. No.
Hey, you're tough. You're tough. Let me ask you,
Yeah.
who are 2 people that you know in business that could use the cash right now?
I don't know. I gotta talk to other people.
You don't know 2 people that are business owners that you can introduce me to?
That are business owners, but I don't know about their checkbook.
You know, I beg your pardon? I think
I know a lot of people that are business owners, but I don't know anything about their checkbook.
Well, yeah. I mean, that's for me to decide, right? Give me 2 names. Who do you know that's the business owner?
Richie, Kirshner, and Pauline.
What's Richie's number?
I don't know. I gotta get it from my phone. I cannot give out people's numbers if I'm not asking them.
All right, yeah, I totally understand. Well, what's his business?
His business is manufacturing steel.
Manufacturing steel. That's the name of the company?
No, it's not the name of the company.
Well, look, man, all I want to do is kind of introduce myself to your friend, and all right, so but look, I mean that's what it takes, man, to succeed in this business, in business in general. You got to be willing to ask the hard questions. You got to be willing to push them, even though they don't want to be pushed. All right, so that guy, he already got funded, so he got his needs taken care of. But I mean, if he's not eager right now, I'm gonna get him later. And it's important to just keep following up. And you see, I was trying to get some referrals out of him. He almost gave it to me, but it's okay. We'll get on it, buddy.
Hey,
Long time. Yeah, I was just following up. We spoke a while ago about your business. Did you get funded or?
Yeah, no, I'm good right now.
Okay. How many cash advances do you have?
Right now, 2.
You have 2 positions? Great. Who is that with?
2 cash events. One with Broadway, one with Pearl.
Okay, great.
Actually, status pending, but they came through Pearl.
Okay. Well, if I was able to get you additional capital at the right rate and terms, how much capital could you put to use to improve your business for future expansion?
I'm not looking to get into another advance or anything like that. I'm trying to get out of these advances. In the process of going through like an SBA, so I can take out all these other positions. So not really looking for that at the moment.
Well, at SBA, are you looking to have another baby with the 10-year terms?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, obviously you made an investment into your business and got a return. So what's the one problem you wish you could solve in your business today?
Well, the amount of cash that goes out every week.
Okay. Great.
On the advances and on the other, I've got a couple other loans and a couple other things. The amount of cash that goes out every week is just, strapping me a little bit. So if I can get a longer term loan with a lower payment, on a monthly basis, then that would solve a lot of problems for me.
Okay, great. Well, based off what you're telling me, I think we could, and what I'm looking here on the website, you entered some information. I think we could definitely get you exactly what you're looking for. Can you forward me your bank statements, your last 3 months bank statements?
I mean, can you guys do a 10-year term for the monthly low interest rate?
10-year term, not here. But I mean, if you're already working with someone with your what kind of terms? Well, I mean, I don't know if you heard about in the news lately how they just got rid of COJs. But what this means is now the lending industry has become more competitive, and our furthest terms are definitely are longer now. And I know that business owners usually like the longer terms.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean,
so what's your longest term that you can do?
What's the longest term that I can do? What's your credit score?
It's dropped right now because of all the other crap that's going on.
Okay. Is it in the 6s, 7s, 5s?
Yeah, it's like low 6s at the moment. It kind of irritates me. It used to be 730, now it's in the low 6s. So, but I gotta get some of this shit paid off. I mean, that's the problem. It's
right.
Everything's strapping me. So.
Okay. So if you're looking at it, if you want us to come in as a first position, that's fine. I just need to know what are your balances with the positions?
Total for all my positions, probably around 110 grand.
Okay. And what'd you do last month in revenue?
50 or 60, I can't remember.
So you're doing 50, 60,000, and you have 2 cash advances totaling balance 110?
No. I'm talking about I have 2 lines of credit. I also have 2 business loans. Everything. All of the stuff that's there totals about 110,000. Got
it. Okay. Well, as far as LOCs, we don't really pay those off because those are usually monthly payments. So it's better if you work with us on a separate paying off of the other positions. Just because it wouldn't make, I mean, you already have the relationship with those lines of credit. It would be better for me to pay off your expensive money and you keep that line of credit that in case you ever need it, Mm-hmm. So what are the balances with just the 2 cash advances? There's Pearl and there's another one you said. Bear Broadway.
Not much, like 20, 25, 30.
Okay. Great. All right. So if I plug in some numbers here on my calculator, 1 second. From what you told me the credit is, etc. I mean, you'd definitely be looking over your, over a year terms. We could probably get it to 14. I would say, and this is just this. I'm just giving you a range, but you're probably looking at somewhere like with your credit score. I mean, 11 to 18 months.
Mm-hmm.
That's what.
Better than these 4-month terms.
Okay, great.
At what rate though?
At what rate? Well, you know that the industry goes by factory, right? Not interest rate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
All right. So.
Well, okay. What factor?
I mean, I could probably get in the 1.2s.
Pretty good.
And I mean, based off what I'm looking at here, I think we could definitely get you into our top programs. And we only do soft pulls, so it's not like it's going to affect your credit score. And we do get you offers within 2 hours. But I cannot do anything without the paperwork, That's why I need the.
I understand.
So I'm gonna send you this email. When do you think you're gonna need the statements back?
I don't know. I can try to do it today.
Okay, great. Is there anyone that can help you? Maybe a secretary, girlfriend, wife?
No, not at the moment.
Okay. Well, yeah. We need the statements back ASAP so we can get to work on it. Is there any chance you get that back to me within the hour so I can have real numbers and real options for you realistically by the end of the day?
I can try. I can't promise anything. I can try.
Okay, great. I'll send this email to you right now, Jay at Jag Equities Corp. And I know a busy person like you probably gets about 300 emails a day, so I'm going to do you a favor and shoot you a text as well. If you don't get my email, do me a favor and check your spam folder in case you don't see it, because I've been hearing that sometimes it can come up in there. But in any case, if you don't get it, this is my direct line, so you can just call me back. All right. Any questions for me?
Nope.
Nope. All right, I'll talk to you soon, man.
Nope. No questions. Okay,
Thank you. Take care. Bye. All right, so that guy, I mean, he had a couple of concerns, but this is why it's important to know all your opportunities in the sales in sales, because that guy might not have been an opportunity. You know, if you listen to what he's saying, you know, it might not have been an opportunity. You know, another guy might not have been able to get it done, but you know, I assured him that I'm not like these other guys, and looks like he's gonna send me the information, so it's good. YouTube, I needed you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I need to ask you guys for some help. I think you guys can help me. I need to make sure that you guys leave a like on this video and subscribe so you can get updated on my future videos. So whenever I post a video out, you're gonna be first to know. You know, we're trying to be the best business channel in 2019. So make sure you guys hit the red button and turn on your notifications.
Do it.
Thanks, guys.
Peace.